Short haircuts are a popular choice among women of all ages. They offer a low-maintenance, versatile look that can be easily styled and customized to fit any individual's personal style. Whether you're looking for a classic bob, a modern pixie cut, or a bold buzz cut, a short haircut can be a great option for those looking to change up their look. With a variety of styles to choose from, a short haircut can be tailored to suit any face shape, hair type, or lifestyle. So, whether you are looking to make a bold statement or simply want a low-maintenance look, a short haircut may be the perfect choice for you. Let's look at the first one. Short bob haircut with bangs. The short bob with bangs is a versatile and stylish haircut that can be tailored to suit a variety of face shapes and personal preferences. The bob itself is a classic cut that never goes out of style, while the addition of bangs can add a playful or edgy touch. The short length of the bob makes it easy to maintain and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Overall, I think the short bob with bangs is a great choice for those looking for a chic and low-maintenance haircut. Number 2. The lob or long bob is a trendy, stylish haircut. It may be fashioned several ways and works for many hair types. For individuals who prefer length yet a manageable cut, the lob falls just above the shoulders. It's perfect for individuals who wish to change their look without going all out. It suits numerous facial shapes and may be customized. I recommend the lob for a modern cut. Number 3. Lob with side bangs. The classic lob haircut can be made more interesting by adding side bangs. The side-swept bangs add a touch of elegance and can frame the face in a beautiful way. This cut is great for people who want to keep their hair long but also want to be able to style it in different ways. Side bangs can also be a good choice for people with a high forehead who want to cover up a bit. The lob length is also easy to handle and style, which makes it a great choice for people who are always on the go. Number 4. Pixie cut with side bangs. A short, low-maintenance pixie cut with side bangs is daring and fashionable. The easy-to-maintain pixie cut is a short, close-to-the-head cut with textured layers. Side bangs frame the face and provide a fun, edgy touch. Side bangs can also disguise a high forehead. This cut is also ideal for making a statement and standing out. Number 5. Short wavy bob. Wavy or curly hair looks beautiful in a short wavy bob. It's adaptable to several facial shapes and preferences. The short bob shows off natural curls and is easy to maintain. Wavy hair gives the cut a beachy, relaxed appeal. For busy people, the bob length is easy to manage and style.